Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if this is Amazon. If it's Amazon, I'll leave my affiliate link down below. And if it's not, I'll leave their website also down below. So either or, check them out. Links will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We got a small little package today. And like I said, just check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart, so they can ship this to you pretty fast. And here we go. Let's see what's inside and try this thing out. Alright, we got a small little package. Coming from naztech. Sounds familiar. Bluetooth, 25 hours of playtime, wireless charging case, touch controls, Xpods Pro. It's going to be hard to hear for this, but you guys can take my word. Oh, you could charge it with the charging base, wireless charging, HD stereo sound, auto pairing. This includes 6 sets, 2 colors. So they got different shades of black. So they got the dark black right there, and then the lighter black. 5 hours per charge, 20 hours with charging case. Ooh, I like the packaging. Oh, that's pretty nifty. Pure sound, 0 wires. Touch controls right there above the neck. Alright, let's get this open. Gotta open it carefully. Okay. Alright, here's the tape. So like I said, just definitely check these guys out. Even though if it's on Amazon or if it's gonna be a normal unboxing video. So either or, links are safe to click, and you guys will be happy with your purchase. Since it's summertime, these will be great for, you know, going out, working out, and your day-to-day routines. Or if you do it indoors, you could do it indoors. Put these on and do some house cleaning, answer phone calls. This is what you get. You get the manual. Shouldn't be hard to hook up. Everybody should know how to hook these up. But we could test these out all in one shot. So all you get is one shot. Xpods Pro Bluetooth device. We know how to do that. Now let's take a look at this. Ooh, they kind of look like AirPods or Earbuds or whatever you want to call them. Here's a case. There's a nice case. Has a nice flip. Feels nice and smooth. Right in here, smooth. Hopefully you guys can see. naztech logo right there. Really nice. Laser etching. Pretty cool. These are like premium. Premium sound. Look at these. Hope you guys can see with the lights kind of. And pop this one out. Right there. Okay. Got those out of the box. Now in this bag, that's where USB to charge it. And it should have the extra replacements for the air, whatever they're called. I'll just take 2 out. Here's a clear one. Put this on my finger so you guys can see it a little bit. Nope, kind of hard to. Right there. Super soft. Oh. Got the red inside. Here's a black one. Here we go. So they already got 2 on, so we don't need to replace them. And flip. Oh, I think this is how you charge it. Like that. Like that. Close. And then right there is a charging, right there is the light. USB goes there. We know how to do this, guys. Come on now. And stick this. Charge it. Naztech USB. I got my USB charging right here. I'm gonna grab my other phone. See, it's green. That means it's charging. So, but I just should have juice enough right now to test the sound out, and I'll be right back with the phone. Alrighty, guys, got it all set up. One touch. See, it changes it. You can pause. See how it pauses and it goes. Really good quality speakers. Sounds amazing, guys. And now we're going to throw this thing on a charge. You guys could hear it. You can use your Bixby voice. Or if you're doing Siri, you could do Siri. So it's all up to you, whatever phone you have. These will sound amazing. Good replacement phones. Earbuds for your phone. And now we hop onto the charger. So I got one of these standalone standees. Got this thing on the back. This flopping in. It's already charging. You can see the light flashing right there. So perfect, perfect, perfect. Definitely happy with these. Sound amazing. Check them out. YouTubers, naztech. Link will be down below. And here we go to the next part. Alright, guys. We got the phone. And we still got charging going on here. Look at that. Super lightweight case. Easy to put in your pocket. Put it in your gym locker and you're good to go. You know? Hit the treadmill and rock and roll. Alright, we'll take these out of the case. Figure out how to work the one-touch controls. naztech. Is it naztech or naztech? Kind of sounds like a stockbroker. Alright, go to your Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth. We got them in here. And this is going to be called... Oh boy. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Already popped them up. See, we heard it connect. I heard it connect. Hopefully you guys heard it. Let me get uncopyrighted music. YouTube. Non-copyright music. Just gotta make sure the ad doesn't play. Ooh. Ooh, I like the bass on these. Ooh. Ooh. These sound good, guys. Got them right there. Got them right there. Wow. These bass sound amazing, clear as day. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But yeah, these are super nice. Probably definitely my favorite ones that I've got in the last decade or so doing these unboxings. Amazing quality. Great sound. Super lightweight. Like I said, easy to carry. Nice package they got going on. Definitely check these guys out. Like I said, I'll either leave my affiliate link down below from Amazon or the website link down below. So either or, click on them. Both are safe. YouTube, you guys have a good night, good day. And hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. If not, see you guys soon. Be safe and take it easy.